Make a great choice today with the 2023 Ascent. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display, upholstery, contrast stitching, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third-row seating. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.